itong si Ping Lacson ni Senator Rodante Marcolita ay to the rescue na itong si Tito Soto sa kanyang best friend.
I believe that the Committee on Rules should tackle that particular question because today I found out that those members, those so-called ex-military soldiers that you're mentioning and the people behind it, some members of Congress filed a case of cyber libel on them. And therefore, I think the Committee on Rules should check first whether we can call a hearing on that particular issue kung ganong merong kaso.
Bangag yan!
At meron ongoing case. So I suggest that your question and the privilege speech and the ensuing debates thereafter be referred to the Committee on Rules. I would like to entertain a motion to that effect, Mr. Majority Leader. I don't think we can answer the question of Senator Marcoleta now because of that particular issue.
Subalit sa halip na makatulong itong si Tito Soto kay Ping, ay napasama patuloy itong si Juan Bol sa napahiya nang barahin siya ni Senator Marcolita at ibinunyag ang pagka-iti-iti niya.
Dahil po ba, Mr. President, merong nagsampa ng demanda doon sa mga taong inakala nating makakatulong sa atin? Magiging sagwil na yun para hindi natin sila tawagin. So, ibig sabihin, pwede palang demanda, i-demanda na lang natin gustong magkukusa na pumunta rito. Tapos na tayo.
I cannot answer your question, and that's the reason I'm saying that we should ask the Committee on Rules to rule on that. You can be right, you can be wrong. But I do not want to answer you and tell you that you are right and that we can do that. It's better that we have the Committee on Rules decide. You are a member of the Rules Committee. Why don't you take it up?
Yung mukha mo, pupulbusin ko.
That is the best thing to do. And not belabor the issue. Majority Leader.
Mr. President, I am not belaboring the issue kasi po sumagot na si Senator Lacson. May pagpayag na po. So wala na pong problema doon. Ang pinag-uusapan na lang para malinawan, schedule na lang po inihingi ko.
Yes. He has not given the schedule yet. And he might even think of checking with the Rules Committee first on whether we can do that right away or not.
Salamat po, Ginoong Pangulo.